Hi there, it's Lynnette from California, and I just wanted to give you a quick demo on the wonderful Folliboost Hair Growth Serum by Tricho Labs. This is an amazing hair growth product just released to the public a couple weeks ago. I'm excited about it. It's made with natural ingredients without all the harsh chemicals, and it's great for any hair type. As you may know, I've tried hundreds of beauty and hair products myself from top brands. I used to own a day spa and salon, so I had access to pretty much everything. And I'll tell you, this is up there with the best. So I wanted to give you a quick demo of the product and give you a bit of my personal experience with it. Okay, it comes in these cool little amber glass bottles, and in each bottle you'll get 60 milliliters, which is about a month's supply, but depending on how seriously you want to use it and in how many different places on your hair you'd like results, it could be more like 1 to 2 months. The key is to just use one dropper 1 to 2 times a day. See how I have a full dropper here? And the dropper itself is great because it helps you drop the serum directly onto the scalp and into the follicles, which is the most important place it needs to go. This is because each time you use the serum, the follicles are being stimulated all the way down to the root to help with hair growth and reducing hair loss. And no, this product doesn't claim instant hair growth like some scams you may see on the market, but you'll likely see results within a couple of short weeks or months with some easy, consistent use. So you'll just take this dropper and use it where your hair is thin or you want some better hair growth, okay? So, for me, I like to use it on my temples right here because, this little, whatever you want to call it, because the thing is that this is where I'm losing most of my hair here, and you just want to massage it in nicely like this for just a little bit, so that you want to also leave it in. And I also use it here too, so that it can, see, because I'm thinning right up here as well. And you just want to leave it in so it's settled, so to speak. Okay, now the key is the serum is not to rinse it out. So it can really soak in, because when it's sitting in your hair is when the magic happens. It goes into the root of your hair and stimulates, rejuvenates, and repairs what it can. You'll see after some time by using it, by what I mean, by leaving it in causes the best results. It's a fairly simple formula actually, but Tricho has done it exactly right, so it works perfectly with active natural ingredients. It has a typical hair product base ingredients, but the active ingredients are a couple of powerful natural compounds called anagain and bisabil, made up of 4 or 5 different plants. And what these ingredients do, to make a long story short, is slow the loss of dead hair and prolong and stimulate the growth of healthy hair from the root out. Science is really amazing, and you can look up those ingredients if you're interested, and you'll see the study's results and all that. Once you have the serum in your hair, you can go about your day and do it again at night, letting the nutrients and active ingredients do their work while you sleep. So anyway, in my short time using the product, I love it. I feel my hair getting healthier and the growth starting. I can't wait to use it for a full 3 months and see what comes. It's super easy and even refreshing to use it. It has real peppermint oil in it, so it smells great. It just takes about 20 to 30 seconds max a day, and the company, Tricho Labs, is one you can trust. They're a premium company. They're honest. The products are made in the USA with 3 to 5 day shipping. None of that 3-week shipping from China stuff you see on Facebook. And they don't do any of that auto subscription stuff you see shady companies do. I know, I've been scammed by that before. What a nightmare. And the customer service is great too. And if you're not happy with your results in 30 days, which is unlikely, they have a money back guarantee. Okay, so best of all, they are, Tricho is offering some limited time exclusive on their Folliboost line on the 1 bottle offer, and even more if you buy 2 to a 3 month supply. These won't last long. Last month they sold out within 2 weeks. I know they've really stocked up now, but I still recommend you get on that as quickly as possible. Quick shipping, great product, 30-day money-back guarantee. You'll love it. The company also told me that they're expanding their Folliboost line, and so people who buy will be the first in line for exclusive discounts. Just another thing to think about. Anyway, get your Folliboost serum today. I highly recommend it. Bye.